It's Dr. Bahamas right here at the Lady Lake Studio House, and we have a special treat for you today. As you all know, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu martial artist. I'm big into longevity, and one of the things that I found very interesting was that in Japan, Okinawa, Japan, that's one of the blue zones where people live longer, healthier, happier lives. And so in keeping with the spirit of the warrior, in keeping with longevity, we decided that for this house, we're gonna get a tatami bed, futon mattress, the whole Japanese room setup. And part of what makes it amazing for longevity is because when we age, our hip joints, our knee and ankles, we lose flexibility. So these beds are super low to the ground, so that it encourages us to bend and stand. These are important features to help us with our longevity. And also, it's a little psychological thing for me as a warrior to get in and out of that bed to start my day. All right, so you're gonna watch us put this bed together. Hopefully it's not too complicated. You will consider getting one of these futon tatami mattresses for your home to help with your longevity and help you attack your day.
Yes, friends, we're super excited about it. So let's go ahead and start unpacking this baby. Okay, friends, I think this one in here is gonna be the frame for our beds. It's very, very low, like my husband was saying. Getting to that squat position to go down, lay down and to stand up from the bed. So let's see.
All right, baby, I think you were right. This is the frame.
It is, I think I was right too. I love the color. This is walnut. We'll put the link of the place that we use for these tatami beds. It's California, I believe, but the color is beautiful. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah? Yeah, let's put it together.
Okay, it seems to be an 8-step process to put together the frame.
8-step? It made it look very simple in the video.
Yeah, looks pretty simple.
It didn't look like IKEA type of simple. It looked very
Basic.
friendly. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one in here, we don't know what it is. Interesting packaging. I'm thinking it's the legs.
Could be the legs, I'm not sure.
I don't know.
It's a big package for legs. You were 100% right, baby. They were the legs. Now, kids, don't try this at home. The instructions specifically say do not use a sharp object to open it. But as you all know, I'm a trained surgeon. I play with knives all day. So.
Tell them, baby. Tell them what's going on with that knife.
Exactly.
Bisturi.
Yeah. So you gotta be cautious. They don't want you to scar the wood or cut yourselves. So just be careful. Yeah.
I just wonder what's underneath on that big, heavy one underneath. Oh,
The planks.
the planks. There you go. I'm like thinking in Spanish, las tablas.
Las tablas, sí. So I gotta lay out the legs in the general position that it's gonna be. Okay. But I'll find a way to make it a little bit more complicated.
You think so? You're gonna put it backwards?
No.
Very, very low, baby.
Yeah.
How are we managing, baby?
So far, so good. I think we got it under control. I'm hoping that we have all the pieces and we don't have extra pieces, but we're heading in the right direction.
Okay, that's what matters. We'll soon be sleeping low, 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 low.
Low.
Get low, get low.
Okay, sweetheart, I think we're on the final step just before we put the futon out. The bed is low.
The frame is framed.
The frame has been framed. This is a good size. It's a king size, Eastern king size, which I always thought the California king was the biggest of the big, but apparently the Eastern king is bigger than the California king by measurements. Look forward to getting in and out of this really low bed. So here we go. We're putting the slats on.
You need help? You need a
I'm
hand?
trying to figure out.
Need another hand?
I think so.
Another hand. Okay, I'm gonna have
All right, look, it's fixed. We're on the final stage. So the next step is to put the futon on it, and then we would have completed our tatami bed.
two. Mucha traera.
Ooh, yeah. Bow, chicka, bow, bow. All right, team. We are at the final stages. We got the futon ready to roll out and put it on the frame. And then my wife is gonna flip that around. Bam.
It's out. Smells like a straw.
Yeah.
Is that how you call it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll pull this and you pull
Heavy,
that.
super heavy.
It's strong, it's durable, it's heavy.
Nice. Okay, let's see what it says about leaving it out for how long. So it just came
Vacuum pack.
vacuum pack. So we have to figure out.
I think we can put it right on top of the bed.
Yes, exactly. Okay, I'm coming to help you. This one is the one for the kids.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. There's the company right there, the futon shop. Like I was telling you all, I will make sure to put the link down below so you guys can check them out. It looks promising. The bed is really, really firm. And what you say, baby, when I say, oh, it's super firm.
It's supposed to be good for your back. Get a deeper sleep, more well rested. Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
We will let you know.
I'm gonna let it air out. We'll be back in here like in 2 weeks or so. Because what you're doing next weekend, baby?
I'll be in Vegas fighting at Masters World, representing Gracie Baja Windermere. Check it out. Oos!
You're definitely gonna be videos in there.
Oh yeah,
The whole journey.
the
getting
whole
to
journey.
Vegas.
Listen, win, lose, or draw, you're gonna see the entire experience. I love Jiu-Jitsu. Lots of studies that show mental health benefits, physical health benefits. I enjoy doing tough things, goal-oriented purpose, training my body. I'll tell you, when we do one of my fitness and wellness videos, it's important for us to train on a daily, on regular basis. The problem is it's boring. So having a goal, setting the goal to compete, and having to wake up every day and train, it's fun. But if you just exercise, that can be boring. So make it training.
Yeah, don't ask me about how I was feeling about you going there, but whatever the outcome is, you're a champion to us, baby.
Win, lose, or draw, you'll see it all.
So this is it for today, friends. We put the beds together. We are going to let them air out for a couple of weeks. We'll be back here in 2 weeks or so because my hubby is going to Vegas next weekend.
Yeah, baby.
Yay, baby.
Gracie Baja
Gracie
Windermere.
Baja. I'm pretty excited to try it out. So follow along, subscribe, like, and we see you in the next
Video.